Hey everyone, Jack Neely here. Are you looking for a 25 to 26 foot hybrid fishing boat? Well, today I have a treat for you. Today we're going to walk the Boston Whaler 250 Dauntless, and I'm going to show you a couple of key features that make this boat truly stand out. This 25 Dauntless offers a huge sun pad up here on the bow, class leading, a ton of room for you to stow all of your gear. Not only that, it's lockable, gets you that peace of mind when you're out away. Up here on the bow, you'll notice that there is also a ton of room for lounging. Not only that, this boat does fishing very well. So over here, you'll see that we have a very innovative process up here. Gives you that back lounger, really make you feel really comfortable up here on the bow. But if I was fishing, I would take all of these cushions off, really giving you that opportunity to make it a casting platform, but also have a troll motor installed up here on the bow. Up here at the helm, you'll notice that you have a blank slate. Really gives you that option to paint your own picture of what you want this 25 Dauntless to look like. Up here, you can either put a Simrad, Garmin, whatever you picture, and you have a large helm seat, giving you room for two, but typically what I would do is when I'm underway, I'd be standing up. It really gives you that option to throw these bolsters down and give you plenty of room to ride comfortably in those rough waters. Another very comfortable spot to sit while you're underway. Back here, you'll notice that we have a large casting platform, but also when we're talking about family and fishing, this is a great family option, really giving you a comfortable spot to run when you're underway. But if I wanted to stow this seat away, I can really use this as a casting platform. Not hitting the T-top or anything. Over here, we have a large power pole, and we're powered by a 300 Mercury. Again, thank you for walking through this 25 Dauntless. My phone number is 904-655-8383.